원어민들이 참 많이 쓰는 표현인데요. 예를 한번 들어볼까요? Let's take a look. I've been on a diet since yesterday. 어제부터 다이어트 시작했어. Really? How are you feeling? 정말? 좀 어때? What do you think? I'm starving. 어떨 것 같냐? 배고파 죽겠어. 어때요? 이해가 좀...
Oh my god, that's so interesting. I think ESL students could really learn from that.
the의 강세를 줘서 the를 강하고 좀 길게 발음하세요. exhausted, exhausted, exhausted.
Yeah, I mean, it's real English. Like, her English was very perfect and fluent. If I didn't speak English as my first language, I would definitely trust her to teach me English.
자, 운동하는 곳을 영어로 헬스 클럽 또는 헬스라고 말하지 않아요. 콩글리시예요. 헬스 클럽이나 헬스에 알맞은 영어 표현은 gym, fitness center 또는 fitness club이에요.
She looks really nice. I like her smile and her voice.
I gotta drop a deuce. I gotta drop a deuce. I gotta drop a deuce.
If you watch this video, you're gonna learn how to express your thoughts and feelings really well.
deserted, dessert, desert, dessert.
This is like the best video to learn English from.
찜하다, 내 차지다 라고 쓸 수도 있어요. 그럴 땐 동사 call, have 또는 get과 같이 써서 I call dibs on the last piece of cake. 케이크 마지막 한 조각 내 거야.
Whoa, this video is so good. She actually teaches real English. I want to learn English on this website.
ill, feel, fill.
Oh, her accent, her facial expressions, her tone of voice, it was catchy. It was natural. I liked it.
마지막으로 전화 주셔서 감사합니다. 그때 봬요 라고 하려면 Thank you for calling. See you then. 이라고 하면 끝이랍니다.
I like it because she teaches the real stuff, not just from the books.
K-pop music is familiar to millions of people. K-pop music is familiar to millions of people.
I've never seen a video lecture like this before. It's really well made, and I would definitely recommend it to non-native speakers.
Speak of the devil. 호랑이도 제 말하면 온다더니 에서 동사 speak 대신에 talk를 써도 되고요. 또 speaking을 써도 괜찮아요. 이렇게요. Talk of the devil. Speaking of the devil.
It's fun to watch. I love it.
Simultaneously.
How is she able to speak English so perfectly and Korean too? I'm so jealous.
Hey, what are you guys arguing about? 야야야, 너희들 뭐 때문에 싸우는 거니? Butt out. This has nothing to do with you. You should learn to mind your own business. 참견하지 마. 너랑 상관없는 일이야. 넌 좀 네 일이나 신경 써.
Wow, use that sentence today. She really teaches real spoken English, eh?
Wow, very interesting.